In this tutorial you're going to see how to drill a PCB, which is a printed circuit board, as looks like the one that I'm holding in my hand. We're going to use this PCB drill here, which is quite a dangerous piece of equipment if you don't use it properly. You can turn it on the top here, and you'll move it up and down like so. Before you do that, you can either clear some wire wool, pull a piece of wire wool off and just clean the track first by rubbing it with the wire wool. Really easy. You can see, you might not see so well on there, but you can see shine where it's been cleaned and it's dull where it's not. So you could clean the PCB track before or after you drill. Now this is a very small piece of material to drill. If you look closely there, you can see the copper track with the pads, which are the circular things, and inside the pads there's a piece of copper track missing. It is where that copper track is missing that you need to drill. Okay, so everywhere you see a piece of copper track with a pad on the end and the copper missing out of the centre of it is where you need to drill. So let's do that first. Let's place it down here, and you need to hold downward pressure on the pad, on the PCB, so that it doesn't fly off. And you never start the machine up when it's touching the PCB. Always start it up away from it and adjust where you're putting the PCB underneath the blade, underneath the drill bit, until you go through. Okay, now the drill bit for most of the components that we use are 1mm. There are some components that will need bigger, but for this we just need the 1mm drill bit. Okay, so let's turn it on, and you never let go of the PCB until the drill bit is back out. Simply all we do is push it, and then the next one, line it up, and then through, and then line it up, then through, and then stop.